Dad, what's your opinion about Siddharth and Mithai's case? I can't understand in which direction it is proceeding. Revati came to meet Samresh the other day.
What? Revati came to meet Samresh?
Exactly. That's not all. I don't know what she was discussing with him outside. I don't know. The matter doesn't seem to be pleasant, you know that? I have a feeling that they want to get this divorce done at any cost and at the earliest, Dad.
Amresh, I wish from the bottom of my heart that Siddharth doesn't divorce. Who's calling now?
Who is it?
Samresh? Why is he calling me?
See, Dad, I want to make it very clear that nothing depends on your wish. See what Samresh has to say. I think Revati has conveyed some message. I don't like what's going on. The environment at this home is gradually becoming worse. I don't like it at all.
Yes, Samresh, tell me. The call got disconnected. Yes, Samresh, why did you call? Actually, I was speaking to someone, so I couldn't answer your call. Yes, tell me. What? Tomorrow? Okay. Okay, I'll inform Siddharth. Siddharth? Siddharth! Siddharth, listen to me. I have a message for you. Samresh called me. Here, Siddharth, I want to say that Revati used her connections to reschedule the hearing. The hearing is scheduled for tomorrow.
What?
Yes.
But why so soon?
Uh,
Grandpa, how did Miss Revati manage to do this? Don't you think she's in a rush to get their divorce through?
This is good news, Brother Rajiv. It's better to sort out the problems at the earliest. Mithai will be free, and grandfather's grandson will also be free.
Rajiv, you tell your genius not to worry about me, okay? Let her say that she wants to be free. Why is she dragging me into all this? Grandpa, I don't believe in divorce. I don't believe in these concepts. Why am I dragged into all these matters? How many times and to how many people shall I explain this? I can't handle this anymore. But yes, if this will help your genius, then I'll go to the court tomorrow. Make one thing clear to your superwoman. She shouldn't try to go to the court on her bicycle, please. I don't like unnecessary problems before going out every time, seriously.
No, Mithai will go with you. Mithai, listen, speak carefully at the court tomorrow. Don't imitate Siddharth the way you did last time. But who will go to the court with Mithai, I am wondering.
No, nobody should go with me. It's Mithai's request, please. If everybody leaves their work and goes to court for Mithai, I feel very bad. You know it.
Mithai, you don't have to worry about all this. We all are with you. Please.
No, Brother Ratul. Nobody has to come with me. Uncle Biswas is with me. And it's a fact that Siddharth won't leave Mithai alone. You all know it. He had taken me to Uncle Biswas that day. Mithai won't lie. Lord watches everything. Mithai isn't ungrateful.
I don't understand why somebody speaks so much to explain a simple point. Anyway, Grandpa, I I think she's right. She's absolutely right. It's useless to waste time on such a silly case. Look, the lawyers will do whatever's needed. The others will just sit and watch, so it's meaningless to be present there. Anyway, I don't know how many lies will be spoken tomorrow. You know, I'm going insane, Grandpa. But I'll tolerate all this if it's helping Mithai. Anyway, I'll go to my room. I won't be able to work tomorrow. The entire day will be wasted. I'll finish some work.
Hey, Mithai, what's your plan? Why don't you wish to take any of us with you? Speak the truth.
Mithai, I hope you aren't playing anything naughty.
Okay, grandfather. Mithai will go and come home with your grandson. How could you think that I won't plan anything naughty?
Mhm.
Grandpa, you go down the stairs. Yes, you know what the Lord wants. Yes, just calm down and go down the stairs. It's time to win this game. Got it? Huh?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Siddharth also said that he would
Yes.
do what is good for Mithai's well-being. Hey
Mhm.
Lord, I hope it comes true. Did you get it? Hey Lord. Yes.
But I didn't understand anything. How will Mithai gain from the divorce?
What?
I mean,
Mithai will do something so that it helps Siddharth. Siddharth has always wanted to do something good for Mithai. Now Mithai will do such a favor to Siddharth that he'll be relieved. Lord, give Mithai strength. Help. Please help.
I think you trust Mithai a lot. What do you think? Will Mithai willingly divorce Siddharth? I don't think a girl like her would like to divorce Siddharth and break this marriage because it's a big deal for her. She can stay in such a big house because of Siddharth. She's the apple of everybody's eye, and Siddharth also doesn't scold her much these days. I don't think she'll ask for a divorce.
Yes, she will. I'm sure that she'll seek a divorce. Mithai won't resist anymore. And her lawyer won't be able to fight the case without her consent. That's what I have done. In fact, Mom's plan has worked.
I don't know, whatever you say. I'm feeling irritated. I just can't stay calm. Siddharth hasn't reached here yet.
Oh, Mithai. You have come. Come, sit there. Session will start soon. Sit down.
Sid, come here. Sit. Sit. Listen. Listen to me, Sid. The judge might ask you a few direct questions today. Have you thought about what you will say about the divorce? I hope you won't say that you're okay if the divorce takes place and also if it doesn't. You're not going to say that.
Aunt, I can't stand it anymore. I can't understand these court sessions anymore. Anyway, what do I have to say? I'll try and say whatever.
Mithai, I know that last day's plan has worked. No, I won't lose my temper anymore. Let's see what you do today. Look what he has written. Madam, I need you. Please say something. Where are you? What do I tell him? Sid doesn't believe in marriage. Or I would have asked him to get married to me. Do you know what, Mithai? Everybody in our business school knew that Sid and I were in a relationship. I also.
Mithai? Mithai? What are you looking for there? Forget it. When the honorable judge will ask you, what do you think about this divorce? Then what will you say? Please tell me.
Uncle, will I be allowed to speak with the judge directly if I want to? Can I speak?
What? What are you saying?
Before madam and you start arguing the case, I want to say something directly to the judge.
Mithai, I don't get it. Please make it clear what you exactly want to say.
Will you be angry if I speak with the judge? Can I speak?
Mithai, this is not about what I will feel. I just wish your well-being. I just want you to get justice, right? See, your husband has charged you with false allegations. And I have to prove that those allegations are false, right? After that, if you accept the divorce, that worthless fellow is ought to give you proper alimony. And I will ensure that.
Uncle, believe me, I don't want anything. Lord has given Mithai enough in life. Mithai is happy with it. It's time for Mithai to give. Mithai wants to give whatever everybody wants. Mithai will be happy if she can do it. Just like the Lord who only gives, Mithai will also. Mithai wants to just give. Lord is Mithai's partner after all. So I wanted to talk to the judge, madam, alone. Can I speak? Please.
Okay, Mithai, what do you want? I have really never seen a girl like you. And if the worthless fellow could understand you and value you, he would have been fortunate enough. See, Mithai, you always pray to Lord Almighty all the time. Why don't you pray to your Lord to instill some common sense to this worthless and useless fellow?
Let the session begin. Mrs. Roy, your client, Mr. Siddharth Modak, didn't say anything clearly to the marriage counselor. Does he want to work on the relationship for 6 months? The report suggests that the counseling has not helped.
Your Honor, my client seeks divorce at the earliest.
Okay. Mr. Biswas, if you have anything to say in opposition, you can go ahead.
My lord, my client Mithai Das wants to say something before the honorable court. I am seeking the permission of the honorable court.
Okay. I give her the permission.
Judge Madam, I accept all the allegations. Please be kind and grant us divorce.
Mithai, what are you saying? Your Honor, I request the honorable court to give me some time. I am suspecting my innocent client has been pressurized.
Objection, Your Honor. Mr. Biswas, Mithai wanted to speak.
Why? Why will Mithai say this on her own? I am suspecting that my client Mithai Das has been pressurized outside. I mean, outside this court, my client has been pressurized to say what she said here, Your Honor.
Mr. Biswas, didn't you tell your client that whatever she says before the court is considered an official statement? She cannot say anything she feels like.
Mithai, now you have to apologize to the honorable court. Say that you did not mean whatever you said here. Say it, Mithai, say it.
Objection, Your Honor. Mr. Biswas is forcing her client to speak about what he wants.
Objection sustained. Mr. Biswas, you can't do this. The Honorable Court wants to ask Mithai Das if she really means what she has
just now said in the court. If she did not say it willingly, then she could fearlessly speak the truth before the court.
I'm telling you the truth, Judge Madam. Mithai thought well before giving this statement. Nobody forced me to give these statements.
I had told you right from the beginning, Your Honor. It's an open and shut case. My learned friend was unnecessarily challenging me. On behalf of my client, I would mention that if Mithai Das needs any financial help, my client will surely help her. Mithai Das's future will be secured. But it is meaningless to carry on with a marriage that is baseless. So I plead to the Honorable Court to grant a divorce to Mithai Das and Siddharth Modak as per the application of my client, Your Honor.